Hey guys, welcome back to another bike vlog. I'm back here in Michigan today, and I have a very special episode for you guys because I have a choice. Absorb Exhibit A. This thing was found in ancient Egypt. As you can see, it's an absolute fossil. Now, moving on to Exhibit B. This is a more modern specimen, but well, there's a lot of things that are wrong with it. So I have to decide which one I want to ride. Now you may be thinking, well, Ryan, why isn't there an option C? And to that I would say, that's a great idea. Why isn't there an option C? Well, because this is content, and we only have two options. So I'm pretty sure, I feel like I'm gonna have to go with this one. Alright, this bike feels like it's genuinely about to fall apart, so hopefully we can get to our destination before said falling apart happens. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do a bit more commentary in this one. But for now, I'm just gonna go. Okay, so right here you can see there's a monument over there, and that's basically just it's Latvian. It's dedicated to this park over here. This is a community-owned location, and people usually will meet here. Hopefully, yeah, I don't see anybody over there, so hopefully we can go check it out. So as you can see, it says no trespassing, but well, that doesn't work very well when there's an opening. I have absolutely no idea what that says, but yeah, this is a meeting ground for the community over here. Don't think anybody's been here in a long time, but yeah. Should I go down this hill? I think I'm gonna go down this hill. Alright lads, we're going down this hill. Hopefully nothing falls apart. out. It's pretty chilly today, but you know, it's a crisp fall day. There's a lot of houses on the lake, which are pretty nice. Alright guys, the GoPro basically dead, so I'm gonna have to end the video here, but make sure to like, comment, subscribe. More videos coming on the way. Appreciate you guys, and peace out.